Do you want more for your production? The easiest way to upgrade your production is with multiple cameras. And now you can add a PTZ camera and an HDMI switcher with the RGBlink VUE and Mini Pro bundle for just $9.99. Adding a PTZ camera to your existing workflow is very simple and doesn't require an extra camera operator. A single person can control and switch the cameras from one location. With a 20x zoom 1080-60p output from the HDMI port, the RGBlink VUE is the perfect camera to any workflow. With multiple cameras, you will need a switcher, and once again, RGBlink has you covered with the RGBlink Mini Pro. Simply take the HDMI outputs from each of your cameras and plug into one of the 4 HDMI ports on the back of the RGBlink Mini Pro. The RGBlink Mini Pro can even control the VUE with no additional software. Simply connect the VUE camera and the Mini Pro via Ethernet cable and match the IP settings. Now one person can control the pan, tilt, and zoom of the VUE, as well as switch between all of the connected cameras. Once everything is all connected to the Mini Pro, you can take the HDMI output into a monitor, or you could take the USB out into a computer where it'll appear as a webcam. The RGBlink VUE and Mini Pro bundle allows you to upgrade your production value easily and affordably for just $9.99. You can order your bundle at videoguys.com.